Hello friends, this is Ama Black Rose and I'm here with another video. Today I'm gonna do an updo with an extension. So I have honey baby gel, a leave-in conditioner for detangling, warm water to use, and a couple of brushes that I might use and pins. This is the extension that I'm gonna use. It's called the Afro Kinky Curly Drawstring extension and I got it for $7. So the day before I already washed my hair and braided it into smaller sections, so it's ready. And right now I'm applying the leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna spray some warm water on it and make sure it's soaking very well because I want my hair to be hydrated. Then what I'm gonna do, as you can see, I already unbraid a section of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is separate it with my hands and apply some of the gel. This honey baby gel is a new product that I'm using right now and I want to see if it works with my hair. Even if it doesn't lay really flat, it's okay because I'm doing a hair extension that is Afro kinky, so I think it will go with the style. So the first step is unbraid my hair, separate it with my hands for detangling. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of the gel, and then with the wide comb I will gently brush it out and attach the hairband. I'm gonna do this process all around my hair. Again, remove the braid, section it or detangling it with my hand, apply some gel, use the wide comb, and then reattach it to the hairband. So the way my hair is thick and lovely. However, the center section of my head grows longer than the front and the back and side edges. So it took me altogether 20 minutes to do this hairstyle. And it was easier to apply the gel and gather my hair together. However, the front section was a little difficult, so you see what I'm talking about in a little bit. So as you can see, I'm done with the middle part of my hair and now I'm working on the front area. Again, it is very short compared to the middle section of my hair, so even though I applied more gel, it wouldn't hold down. Now this gel is baby honey gel, and it's supposed to help your hair lie flat, but I don't think it works for my hair thickness, so I went ahead and repeat the process. Apply more conditioner, apply some warm water, and then I gently combed my hair. I was trying so much not to comb through the full root to edge, so I put my hand just to give it some protection. And now I could gather my hair all together, and I'm gonna comb it out just a little bit more, and then I apply more gel, and I used a lot of gel. As you can see, the container is almost finished. And I would say, if you want a slick look for this style, I wouldn't suggest using this gel if you have my hair texture. However, if you don't mind the way my hair will look after I apply and dry it out, then yeah, you can go with this way. After this, I'm gonna wrap my hair with a stretch gauze because I couldn't find any tight material. A nice scarf will do, but this time I feel like I should use a clean gauze, so I used this. I dried my hair for 5 minutes with the gauze, and when I removed it, I did another 4 minutes. Again, you can see my hair is still sticking out, but I don't mind it that much because the kinky extension Afro style works all together. So I love my hair. Anyway, so I'm about to attach the drawstring puff ponytail. Now just undo the drawstring. Then you will see two combs inside the section. The right comb will go on top, and the comb closer to the drawstring closure goes to the back. So gently attach it on top and down back to the ponytail area. Just gently attach it. When you're all right with it, then you carefully tighten the drawstring. No, don't make it too tight, just enough to hold the hair up your ponytail. Then tie around the rest of the string around your ponytail area, and then tuck in the rest of the string into the extension holder where the netting is, and you're complete. As you can see, it's easy to do and easy to style. I didn't wait for the gel to completely dry, so yeah, it took me about 20 minutes altogether. However, I love the way it came out. Let me know what you think. I don't mind the way my hair is popping because it looks afro, kinky, and it looks really nice. Leave a comment below. Stay blessed and much love.